You baptize her, I'll kill you. But Francois has this philosophy, do what is right and leave the consequences to God. And so he baptized her, and the man threatened to come with his shotgun and kill him while doing this. Well, he did come, but he didn't bring his shotgun, but he was furious. And that was about 24 years ago, I would say. He was so angry. I'm digressing, but I'm just telling you, filling in a little bit. And after the service, he confronted Francois. Now, Francois is a very tall man. You've noticed that, right? And my wife prodded me and said, they were talking out there, and this man was very agitated. And so I saw, ooh, here's trouble. So I ran out there, and just as I got there, I stepped between him and Francois, but his hand was already back to take the punch. And fortunately, he was aiming at Francois' face. And I got my shoulder in between his face, and so he hit me here. And I went flying. I didn't know I could fly, but I went flying. And I ended up way over there. And he got a fright, and he ran away, this man. So we took a blow from this man, right? And for the next 24 years, this man made his wife's life hell on earth. And she stuck it out and went to church. And he would be impossible. Nobody was allowed near him. If he would dare to even mention, can he talk, he would kill him in his house. He was baptized last year.